The 2024 Boao Forum for Asia annual conference is being held from March 26 to 29th in Boao, a coastal town on China's island province of Hainan. Themed Asia and the World, Common Challenges, Shared Responsibilities, this year's conference draws about 2,000 delegates from over 60 countries and regions and more than 1,100 journalists from about 40 countries and regions. Participants attending the forum have hailed China's high-level opening up and robust growth, saying China's high-quality development benefits the world.
More the China opens, it brings more opportunities for the neighboring countries and for countries from distant regions. China has been playing a very important role in global GDP, driving the global GDP. The global economy have a lot of prospects to expect from China, and China will have a key role to play that.
China now is the main component of the world growth. We do want China prosperous because it's a market for us, for European companies that export into China. It is in the interest of Western countries to see a growth in China.
China matters to the global economy. It is a source of global growth. It is a source of global innovation. We need to remain very collaborative. We need to ensure that exchange of innovation continues.
Founded in 2001, the BFA is a non-governmental and non-profit international organization committed to promoting regional economic integration and bringing Asian countries closer to their development goals.